Will you allow AI to take over all your hard-earned money and your retirement fund and plan your investments? Most of the industries from healthcare to transportation to your investment decisions are now run by AI. But here's the million-dollar question. Can AI replace mutual fund investment experts? In this video, we are diving deep into this debate. We'll explore what AI can do, where human wisdom still rules, and what's the future of investing looking like. Let's go.
3, 2, 1.
Let's go.
AI is changing the game, and here's how it's already reshaping mutual fund investing. AI can analyze millions of data points from stock prices to global news faster than any human can. An example is the AI mathematical models can scan financial statements from hundreds of companies in seconds. Machine learning can detect patterns that aren't obvious to humans. Example, identifying moment shifts or undervalued sectors before the market reacts. AI can design portfolios that align with your risk tolerance using complex algorithms. No delays, no emotion, just precise data-driven execution. So is that game over for human fund managers? Not so fast. There are things AI still can't do well and may never fully master. Market crashes, wars, political shocks. AI often struggles with black swan events. Human experience and intuition make better calls, especially in chaos. The market is emotional. Fear and greed drive decisions. Example, in early COVID, March 2020, many AI mathematical models faltered, but experienced fund managers saw opportunity. People want to talk to someone they trust, especially during volatility. AI works on rules. Humans think in values, ethics, and long-term vision. The future belongs to investment experts who leverage AI. AI becomes the assistant. Human stays the strategist. Data analysis becomes automated. Decision making and client interaction becomes more crucial. New careers will emerge. AI investment advisors, data-driven portfolio strategists. For investors, choose mutual funds or advisors who combine technology with human intelligence. AI is a powerful tool, but it's not the end of human experience in investing. Instead, it's the beginning of a smarter partnership. So the next time someone asks, will AI replace mutual fund experts? You'll know the answer. Not replace, enhance. If you found this video valuable, hit like, subscribe, and share it with your investor friends. Until next time, stay wise, stay healthy, and stay unstoppable.